Welcome to the Crypto Andrew channel. If you guys are new, make sure you hit the bell notification and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on a video or a live stream. I will be live in 30 minutes at noon Central Time, going over crypto to make up for not going live tomorrow. So what we want to look at today is this stock. Everyone calls it a stock, but it's actually a crypto. It's a coin, whatever. Dogecoin, so on the monthly time frame, you're overbought on the stock RSI. On the weekly time frame, you're overbought on the stock RSI. On the 3-day time frame, you're overbought. So the smallest time frames I'll start to go in more detail about, but right now, it's looking like this is extremely bullish, sideways consolidating price action for Dogecoin, and it's very likely that Dogecoin, on the highest of time frames, is ready for a move to the upside. So again, you're overbought on the higher time frames, but the smaller time frames look bullish to me. So this is what we call a bull pennant. When you get sideways consolidation of the same highs, the same lows, that's a bullish consolidation. So this is what I see right now going on for, technically, actually, it's making slightly higher lows and lower highs. That's kind of actually what's happening. But it's hard, you know. Overall, it's very bullish price action. And this thing on the 3-day time frame, actually, 3 days almost oversold. I would say this is also a conservative measure move up to 80 cents, which I believe is slightly above all-time highs on Dogecoin. So I think in the next month, Dogecoin gets to 80 cents. The 3-day time frame is almost oversold. The weekly is extended, so is the monthly. But the 2-day time frame is oversold. Wow, this actually looks extremely bullish to me for a move to the upside. And yeah, this looks good for a move. I'm going to just copy this link, post this to my trading group. But this looks very good for a move to the upside on Dogecoin. By the way, if you guys want to join the trading group, link to join is on the description on YouTube. 8-hour time frame looks decent. The 4-hour time frame is, so I guess at the end of the day, the 4-hour time frame needs to probably come back to at least get oversold, maybe go sideways, but needs to get oversold. But I do see 80 cents likely in the next 3 to 6 weeks. It could happen in the next 2 to 4, maybe even sooner. It could happen next week, really. It's crypto. But in the next month, I would say probably likely actually by the end of the year, but early next year, so we'll say 2 to 4 weeks. Let's say that. 2 to 4 weeks, Dogecoin is likely to be at 80 cents unless you lose this key level down here at 35 cents. If you lose 35 cents, that'd be a lower low, and then I could invalidate that you're out of the pattern. If you lose 35 cents, the trade's off. If you stay above 35 cents, I see 80 cents sometime in the next 2 to 4 weeks. 4 weeks on the higher side. We'll see what happens. If you guys enjoyed this update, appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and I will be live again in 30 minutes over on YouTube and TikTok. But yeah, this trade looks good. If you stay above 35 cents, if you lose 35 cents, your next stop is 30 cents, and there's not much price history above 50 cents. That's your next real resistance. Above 50 cents, you're basically at all-time highs. This chart, I don't know why it doesn't have all-time highs, but I know 80 cents was the all-time high, or it was 77 or something like that. So we'll see what happens, but that's what I see on Dogecoin. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'll see you guys in the next one on the live stream at noon Central Time. Until then, trade safe. Have a great rest of your weekend.